Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Tony and this is From Zero to 3D. In the last video, I unboxed only the printer itself. Today, everything else comes out of the boxes. By the end of this video, all of the Elegoo gear will be set up, powered on, and we're attempting my very first print. I don't know yet if it's gonna work, but this is the first full day, start to finish, from boxes to whatever happens next. Let's get into it. All right, so it's time to finish unboxing things we didn't quite get to in the first video, including got the Elegoo Mercury 3.0 Plus, which is the wash station for the resin printer, as well as the air purifier that I also got from Elegoo. These are not currently sponsored products, but we'll see when the time comes. The air purifier I got because after reading a bunch of stuff about resin printers, the fumes themselves can be toxic. So an air purifier it is. We've also got things like PPE that we unpacked in the last video, including gloves and masks. I got some more stuff off of Amazon, including these nitrile gloves. We've got an Elegoo filter funnel. And here we've got some silicone mats to put underneath the printer, and also for when we're doing resin pouring back into the bottles. This is going to be helpful to have an extra station. I did get 2 of these. All right, we've got the standard photopolymer resin 2.0. Got 2 bottles of this. Nice shop towels for cleanup, whatever it is. I feel like I'm going to make a mess, so it doesn't hurt to always have a set of shop towels around. All right, first we're gonna open this air purifier and kind of see what this is looking like here. More garbage. That was satisfying. Time to read the user manual, figure out how we set this thing up for use. All right, so we've got our washing and our curing station pretty much assembled. This that I have here is the curing plate. So I'm just gonna set this to the side for the moment. I'm gonna keep assembling this just to make sure everything powers on and works properly. Now for the moment of truth. Great, powers on, works so far. I'm not going to play with this just yet, so we're going to come back to that after we set up the actual 3D print station, and then we're going to set up the air purifier. So here we go. Well, we can go with the Queen's English, shall we? All right, so now it seems like it's gonna go through a system update real quick. Don't know how long this is gonna take. So we'll be back after this sped up version of an update. Got the printer up and running. Everything seems to be checked and ready to go. Onto the print. All right, so next we're gonna go to our computer and we're gonna pull open the Elegoo software where we can use the slicer, which is the software that's capable of prepping the STL file for our printer to read properly for the print. All right, so it's been a couple hours since the first print is finished on the machine. We're gonna get that out of there, off the build plate, into the wash station, and we're gonna get it washing for the first time. Of course, I'm showing my beginner status because I had to go to Walmart to get some isopropyl alcohol. All right, folks, so here I am leaving Walmart the night of my shoot. You wanna know why? Because I forgot to get alcohol for the wash station. So, it's a fun time. This is why we record videos late at night and then make a late night run to Walmart. Anyway, back to the video. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna get this print off the build plate.
3 hours later.
All right, so now that we got the print off the build plate, we're gonna set up the curing station over here in the same spot as before where we washed our print. Now I'm gonna press the curing button. Let's do 3 minutes. Here it is, my 2-piece first build. Ta-da! Life happens, life gets in the way. That's okay, you keep moving forward, and let's go wrap up this video. All right, this was my first full day of 3D printing after the unboxing. And let me tell you, some things went better than I expected, and some things didn't. But that's okay. It's a learning process altogether. But this is exactly what From Zero to 3D is all about. Learning together, in public, mistakes, all the failures and successes, they're all gonna be captured here on camera together. So if you're thinking about getting into 3D printing, or if you're learning right alongside me, I'd love to have you stick around. If you enjoyed this, you can like this video, subscribe, and follow along for the journey. And hang on. All right, that's better. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.